couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm trying.
What up, fam, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Jazz, and Deb is actually on his way home with the kids. My grandma took them to the beach for the weekend, so he just met her to pick them up, and they're actually headed home. So I'm getting ready to cook us some dinner. Today I'm cooking us some shrimp po' boys and some zucchini fries. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified every time we post a video, because if that bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be singing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have already cut up my zucchini into little fry pieces, and they've already been rinsed. This is some breadcrumbs and some seasonings and herbs, salt definitely, and this is 2 eggs scrambled with some more herbs in it as well. So now I'm going to start dipping my zucchini and tossing it in the breadcrumbs. And we are going to cook these in the oven. My fingers are about to get so dirty. Typically you're supposed to keep one hand for dry, one hand for wet, but I was just tripping. Whatever. We're gonna eat them all. So guys, if you need your kids to eat veggies, this is an awesome alternative. I know y'all looking like, why is she doing it on the paper plate? Because I'm gonna throw it right in the trash. So why not? I actually had to make a new breadcrumb batch because the other one got too wet. So I definitely suggest having a wet hand or dry hand. That's why I'm gonna use a fork now. My hand, I am such a hands-on person. I'm so tempted to just use my hands for both. I can't remember which one I was using for the dry and which one I was using for the wet. Try to dip off as much excess as you can. See, there I go. Just use my wet hand for the dry. Okay fam, we all done. About to go in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna get up on these shrimp. Okay you guys, I got my shrimp all seasoned up with my favorite seafood seasonings, and now I'm about to put them in some very hot olive oil, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done.
Finna make some homemade homemade spread. Yeah, Jack.
Bay is over there mixing freaking garlic spread for our buns.
Well, fam, now I am about to put it in the refrigerator so that it can get solid, so that we can use it. There we go.
For our buns.
Yes. Hey.